Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping right into how to use the document management system in Zoho Project, your full guide for 2025. First off, log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Correct login is a crucial first step because it gives you access to all the Zoho Project features. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Documents module on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. This is where we manage all of our documents in Zoho Project. The Documents module is a centralized location that allows you to upload, share, and manage all your project-related documents. Next up, to upload a new document, click on the plus New button on the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload Files. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is now accessing your device to fetch the document you want to upload. This step is essential because it allows you to bring in documents from your local storage into the system for team access. Once you've selected your file, hit Open, and your document will begin uploading. After the upload completes, you'll see your document listed in the Documents module. Uploading documents correctly is an important step because it ensures that your team can access and collaborate on these documents within the Zoho Project environment. Let me explain why this matters. The document management system is the backbone of your project collaboration. It keeps everyone on the same page and makes sure all relevant documents are easily accessible. The final step in our process is document management. You can organize your documents into folders, share them with your team, and even set access permissions. Click on the three dots next to your document name to see these options. Properly managing your documents ensures the right people have access to the right documents at the right time. And there you have it. That's how you use the document management system in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to efficient project management is proper document handling. So keep your files organized, accessible, and up to date. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.